Have you ever been wondering how people earn in dollars just by using their smartphone? Today, I will show you a simple method which can make you up to $100 per week with no skills, and you don't even need capital to start with this method I want to show you right now. Yes, you heard me right. No capital, no laptop. All you just need is just your smartphone and internet connection, and you can start making massive money for yourself every week and every month just by the simple method I'll be showing you guys right now in this video. And this work in everywhere you are in Nigeria. In fact, everywhere you are in Africa, this method work for you. To show you that what I'm saying, I'm not capping, let me show you guys one of the platform that I've earned over $1,000 from it. Now let me take you to this platform. When I scroll up like this and I refresh my page, when I come to earning, you are going to see I've earned over $1,000 in this platform. And this, I don't sell any product. In fact, I don't need any capital. I don't use any capital to make this money you are seeing right here. Now let me show you the checkout. You see, these are the money I've earned. As you can see, the date and how I've been earning this money. As a matter of fact, I just received a message from them 2 days ago, which I've earned $100. The money I've earned last month for selling a single product in this platform. And selling this product, I don't buy the product. In fact, I don't do anything. All I have to do is just to post the link on my social media account, and I sell the product, I earn the money. Now let me show you the email I just received 3 days ago, which earned me $100 for last month for a single website. So now, as you guys can see, this is the message I just received from them 3 days ago that they paid me this money. So I'm expecting this money, and I just received the alert this morning on my local bank account that I've received the money on my bank account. So this method I'm showing you right now in this video is what I've worked with, what I've been trying, and I've been earning some money from it. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because in this video I'm going to show you full tutorial how you can get started and start earning money. I will show you full tutorial. I'll take you to my phone screen and show you full tutorial how you can register, and also how you can be getting this product which you can be selling as an affiliate marketer, and you'll be making this money you are seeing on my dashboard. In fact, you can make something bigger than this. You can be earning massive income for yourself every week, every month, just by selling products online. And the product, you don't need to buy them, just by referring people to buy the product, and you earn your own commission. Meanwhile, before we begin, let me also say this method I want to show you right now in this video is not something that will make you rich quick. No, it's something that you have to be patient, something you have to be doing consistency. It's not something you do today and you start earning quickly. No, it's not getting quick method. You have to be patient, and you have to be consistency, and you also have to work hard before you can earn massively. But it's real, legally, and also beginner friendly. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am NupeflaverTV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make money with your smartphone and your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button right now. Now let's get started. Let me show you some steps and what you need to do and start earning massive money for yourself every blessed day. I'll be showing you different type of steps and different type of method which you need to be following, and you'll be earning massive money. So don't skip any part. Now, to get started, what you need to start beginning is to start with a platform that is booming, the platform that is on fire, the platform that is selling, that you can go into and get your affiliate link. Because this method I'm showing you right now in this video is what we call affiliate marketing. You'll be doing affiliate marketing, and you'll be making money for yourself. You sell product for people and you earn money for yourself. And we have different type of platform which you can register as an affiliate, which you can start making money for yourself. We have PartnerStack.com, we also have Impact.com, we have DigitalStore.com, we also have many of them. So I'm going to show you how you can start register on these platforms, how you can start register, and also how you can get your affiliate link, and also how you can be promoting your affiliate link so that you can make sell and you make money for yourself. I'm going to show you every method before the end of this video. I'm going to show you every method how you can get started step by step. I'm going to show you before the end of this video. All you just have to do is just to click on the sign up button, and when you click on the sign up button, you register your account with your email address, your name, and that is all. After you register, you are going to see where you are going to get your affiliate link and also product links. And they have different type of products which you can start promoting and you start making money for yourself. Now let's get started. Let me take you through the first on our list today, which is PartnerStack. How you can get started on PartnerStack and start to register on PartnerStack and start getting affiliate links. So to get started, what you need to do, go to the description of this video or click on it, and when you click on it, it is going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see PartnerStack. Now you are going to see it like this. You can read through and see many things about this platform. Now let me take you through how it works, how you can start to register. As you can see, 33% faster payback. Now as you can see, it says here, recognized as the top rated partner engagement platform, partner ecosystem software, one network for B2B SaaS distribution, affiliate marketing. So you can read a lot about it. Let me just show you guys how you can get started and start to register. You can read many things about this platform. When you click on the link, you are going to see all this, and when you see it, you can read through and get started. But right now, let me show you how you can get started. What you just need to do is just to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you are going to see where you are going to register. As you can see, it said, sorry, my network, my phone is misbehaving. I'm using my phone. So now as you can see, it says N. What is happening? Now let's scroll. You are going to see where it says join the network. As you can see, partner with top software brands and start any commission. Then you click on join the network. You found it and you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to where you are going to register. So when you click on it like this, you click on join the network, it's going to take you to where you are going to start to register. And when you start to register, you are going to, what you just need to do is just to register with your email address. As you can see, you can click on continue with email. And all you just have to do is just to click on continue, put your email address. You just need 4 steps to get started, and you start to register. And when you register, they are going to take you to the interface. So all you just need to do is just to register on this platform. And when you register, they are going to take you to the platform interface like this, where you are going to see different type of brand which you can start promoting their product, and you start selling and you start making money. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can also start promoting all these products and you start selling and you'll be making money. So make sure you pay attention very well. But right now, let me show you different type of promotion they have here. As you can see, they have accounting, artificial intelligence, collaboration. There are different type of platform here that you can work with and start promoting their product, and you start earning. Like this first one here, as you can see, you earn 30 to 50% commission when you refer somebody and somebody buy product from them. Now as you can see, they have different type of package here. You can also check them out. As you can see, they have different type of package. Now as you can see, content management, you can come to content management, any one of your choice. You can decide to choose and start promoting it on your social media platform, or you make me video about it and you be making sale and you'll be making some commission for yourself. As you can see, they have a lot of them. You can check it out. They have a lot of them. Even AI software, you can find them here, and you start making video about them and you start making money from them. So this is one of the first platform here which you can start to register. And when you register on the platform, you are going to see how you can apply for all this, how you can apply on any of this platform you are seeing on this platform. And when you apply for them, you are going to get approved. And when you get approved, you will tell you how the method you follow, and you start promoting products there. And when you start promoting product, you are going to be making sale. Now let me start example for you right now. Let's click on this one, that is N11 Labs. When you click on it right now, let me click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to where you register. As you can see, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where it will tell you to apply to this program. Then you click on apply to this program, and when you click on apply to this program, you are going to be asked to fill your necessary information. As you can see, you fill all your information, you click on join network, and when you click on join network, it's going to take you to an interface like this. As you can see, apply to the partner stack. All you just have to do is just to follow. As you can see, affiliate marketing, then the next thing you are going to do is to click on next. When you click on next, is to put your business email address or your information. My informations are here because I've been using this platform. You put your website name. If you have website name or you don't have, you can use any YouTube URL and put it there, and it's going to start. Then you have to register or follow all their corpus code. You follow everything and you fill all this information, and after you fill all information, you are going to get approved, and they are going to show you your dashboard and where you are going to be getting your links of this product, and you'll be selling it. And when people buy this product, you'll be earning commission. Now let me show you how you can start promoting your link after you have successfully registered on any of the platform of your choice that you find helpful to you and you find that you can use, and you start promoting it. Now what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to get your unique link of any product you want to start promoting, because they have a lot of platform that some pay 20%, some pay $20, some pay $50, even $100. If you can check it very well, you are going to see on that platform. Now when you copy your link of any product you see that you can work with, when you copy your link, the next thing you are going to do is to go to ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT and paste that link there, and when you go to ChatGPT, all you just have to do is to tell ChatGPT to help you write and video promotion, or tell ChatGPT to you want to promote this product and earn commission from it, and ChatGPT is going to put you through, write everything for you, how you are going to get started with it. Yes, ChatGPT is going to do it for you. You can just copy the link, take it to ChatGPT that you want to promote this product, and ChatGPT is going to help you with the strategy, write up everything. And after you get that, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your social media account. It could be your TikTok account, it could be your Facebook account, it could be your WhatsApp account. If you don't have, it could be your WhatsApp account or any of your social media handle, you can use it. And what you just need to do, if you have WhatsApp group, then you start promoting this product on your WhatsApp group. That is why I told you from the beginning of this video that yes, this is a step-by-step method, and it will take time. It's not something that you just get rich quick. No, it is not get rich quick of a thing. All you just have to do, you have to take time, you draft this thing out, then you start posting this product on your WhatsApp group, or you start posting it on your social media account. Being TikTok, you can create video about the product and explain to people how the product work, how they can use the product, and after you explain, you put your link there so that people will go to this product and register. And there are software that there are products that you cannot see. Yes, there are things that you cannot see, but people use them daily. Yes, there are products like that. So you can start promoting it and you start earning. You don't need even followers, you don't need subscribers to get started with this. With your social media account, you can start promoting. You can also go to Facebook groups where you see that people are looking for this kind of product you want to promote, and you start telling people about the product, and when people buy this product, you also be earning commission. And most of those platforms I just show you, all they paid through Payoneer, some of them paid through bank transfer, just the way I show you a moment ago. The platform I show you a moment ago pay me through bank transfer. Every month I receive my money just by promoting their product. I don't need to work, I just go to there, get this product, keep posting it on my social media account, and when people buy the product, I earn my own commission. I earn $100 and above on each product I sell on that platform. Yes, I earn $100 and above for each product I sell on that platform. And I also want you to know that this video is for educational purpose. I am not promising you any get quick rich, or I'm not promising you a guarantee 100% that yes, you are going to get the same result I'm getting, because it depends on your hard work. So this is an important disclaimer right now on this video to tell you that yes, I am not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who create all the platform. This video is for educational purpose. I'm not promising you make money overnight. Result depends on your effort, time, and the product you are promoting. Please don't fall for any app or website that told you to pay before you start earning. Don't fall a victim to any app or website that tell you to pay before you start earning. Don't fall for any type of website like that. We are only using free legit platforms, so you can follow the method I show you right now in this video from the beginning to the end. You can get started with it. If you don't understand anything, you can watch the video again, and after you watch the video again, you are going to learn something from it. And also, if you want me to make video about other platform, that I just make sure, like Impact, Digistore24. You want me to make video on how you can also register on those platforms. I want you to comment that in the comment section of this video. You can comment impact.com or you can comment digistore24.com in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video about that. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.